Like, okay, ladies, we're changing different. You see that I get all the content, but I love to be in here hanging out with all of you ladies. So then we can brainstorm together, and then can see that in any situation and under any circumstance, we can really be flexible. And I love challenge like that. Okay, 30 seconds, everyone. I really want to try this one. You know what? This collection, let me show you. Might make a mess here. Oh, that's for the clear one. This one is so freaking stunning too. Look at that. Like really spring and Easter, and you can put crystal on it. It looks like a real, it's like 8, you know, HD colors. Hold on. I think I have 2 layers on it. Look at that. Haha, looks so... Hey, Lily. Okay, what do I do? And you can do however you would like, but I'm gonna lay it right here. Hold on. I'm gonna do it right here. That's it. That is exactly what I want. Give it really good, you know, like a pressures on. I love the sound of it. It means that it transfers really well. So if you're using the other eye hole transfer foil, make sure you keep it for 60 seconds instead of 30 seconds. Really good chant for everyone. And then I am going to using condensed glue gels. And no wet top coat. It's gonna be feeling a really thick density, which is normal. If you're first time using it, just blend it out nicely. You are very welcome, Colleen. And let's challenge in these colors and that crimson red instead of other, because we're going to each different shape, so then you all know how to play with it, or you get an ideas of it. No white top coat. This freaking no white top coat, it will keep the crystals along with condensed glue gel stay in nice place, floating on the top of the condensed glue gel, and then you don't key anything yet. So you're gonna hold tight. I just touched my fingers in there, but no problem. Just quick swipe. And again, I bend this against with the frame benders. And I am going to do some, I want that one, can I get that one? Everyone, do you like it? If you don't like it, no offense. As long as I like it. I'm just asked for the preference. But if you don't like it, that's okay. I'll take it off and do it over. Just kidding. What happened? Oh. You know, it's really simple as long as you keep all of your beads and the crystal close together. It's usually really doing good for you. Somehow the hair's in here. I have the stuff stick on that one. I just want to add some beads on it. I will put all the colors here to give it a little bit more. It's like a vibrance. And you can do like here, the tip and trick, you can do either one colors if you want to stick with the pink. I think it looks good. Or you can do it like with the yellows or blue or orange. Give it some ones. Here's something fun too. Instead of that one, you can, the way I lay the beads, you can actually go the other way. I think it looks so stunning as well. That's it. If you want more, you can always add more. So don't afraid of to like get your shape. It's off from the frame. It doesn't have to be right inside the frame. Just get it off. It stays nice and flat if I move it. Oops, sorry, Instagram is out. It's probably a crash. Hi Instagram, sorry, we somehow was just crash and then we back now. Thanks so much for coming back and tuning back in with us. Great, I'm gonna really like, looks great. So I am going to key it for 60 seconds now. Wipe it up on the side so then you can keep the nice shape. It looks different, everyone's like it different. Okay, key it for 60 seconds. It looks so totally different. I could wear a whole set like that. It looks so stunning as well. We're done with that shape, which is that crimsons. I think is dropped. This is one of my favorite shape as well. You can do like that. Let me pick up one of this. And do you have an empty tray? You can do it like this. Opposite. You see what I mean? It's like earlier I go, hold on. Earlier I go that way. Oh, it doesn't pick on my fingers because it doesn't have pressures on it. That's to get tweezer. I did it like this, right? But you can also get this opposite side like that. It looks cute though. Hey, Nails by Babe, how are you? Hey ladies, thanks so much for tuning back in. Money back. Hey, Nails by Landron, how are you? I was so busy and then focused on the nails, I didn't get to seeing it on the top. So what I do is to double secure this. Usually it's normally done, but I'm loving it. So nowadays we have this precision glue that is really is game changers. When I did this like a crystal before, it's really afraid of to get every detail and tiny little crystal like this. And because every time I was worried that clients' nails gonna coming off, or they keep catching on the hair or their clothes, and think they're doing it. Now I've seen it pass over in like 2 years, almost 3 years. I'm using this for the clients. I love it, and it's worry free for me. So what you need to do is just don't even squeeze. I don't squeeze anything. I'm using a needles and just give it a little exam. I feel scratchy right here. So what I need to do is just squeeze just a little bit amount of crystals of precision glue, and then it's go around with the crystal, but try not to go on the top. It's right on the side, so then it's gonna seal in, and it's gonna fill in all the gap and edges. So now I'm gonna close the red cap, okay? Close the red cap right here. Great. And now if you still want to do some of neon, you can. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. See how it's gonna take us. I haven't cured yet. In the meantime, I am going to apply the precision brush, which is a gel painting. I am gonna give it a little swipe. Just one side. Repeat if needed it. That's it. Cure for 15 seconds. And also I'm going to cure it again for that precision glue, but I need 15 seconds right now. What color we have? We have pinks and yellow. So we have pink right there and yellow. Great. That's all I need. 15 seconds, everyone. I get right here. Just using a little bit. Neon yellow. And I am going to using a pink. Hopefully you can see it right there. And then the last one, the blue right here with me. Just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Just little pigments go a long way. Great. So now I am going to remove all that excess powder and just top coat here for 60 seconds, and this one is gonna be done. Going to using a top coat. Better on this side. I think I just need to on this side only. You don't have to do the other side because it's already separate by our crystal placement right there. Some are being really gentle on the edges right there, so then it looks nice and blending, flawless. Make sure you do on, if you want to apply your crystals, you want to do a shiny top first, and then you're gonna use